Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to share an important email with someone quickly, but weren't quite sure how to do it, this video is for you today. I'll show you exactly how to forward emails in Outlook, step by step, using the latest interface. This guide is perfect for beginners or anyone who just wants a quick refresher. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Click Sign In and enter your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, just complete that step, and you'll land right inside your Outlook dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your default mail inbox now. Scroll through your messages and select the email you want to forward by clicking on it once. At the top of the email window, look for the forward button. It's usually represented by a right-pointing arrow. Click it, and Outlook will open a new compose window with the original email content already attached and ready to go. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. You can even add multiple recipients if needed. If you want to include a quick note or add context, type your message above the forwarded content. This keeps everything clear and organized. Once everything looks good, hit send. To double check that your message went through, open your sent items folder. You'll see the forwarded email listed there. And that's it. You've just learned how to forward emails in Outlook like a pro. It's a small feature, but once you master it, it makes sharing information so much faster and easier. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more quick Outlook and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.